Hello everyone, so I'm gonna be showing you something that I've been working on for a few days now. So my tooling is pretty much almost done, and I've been polishing it by trying to make an actual in-game map. And you can see here in Blender our quote-unquote level editor how it sort of looks like. We've even got a bunch of assets I've been making, and I'm going to be showing you how it looks like in game. This is what it looks like. It's still not polished, it's not finished, there's plenty of work to be done, but this is pretty cool as it is, right? So we've got this spawn section with the bridges and the magic books and stuff to do a little bit of teleportation. And this is what the town looks like. So we've got ourselves a small path going on with dirt. Well, it's actually sand in this case, right? And we can walk around the houses, and it all sort of like connects between the doors as if people have been walking between the houses for many generations, you know. So you can see a bunch of rough edges, but that's because I need to figure out a way to polish the edges when painting the alpha channel in Blender. So we might probably move on to using the 2-channel approach, but anyway, yeah, this is pretty cool. We've then got a bunch of rocks in the shore, and this right here, well, believe it or not, is water. It's not looking too good. We could die if we keep going inside of it, but you can actually splash around a little bit on the surface. And this part is not finished yet, so I won't spoil much of that side in there. But look at this. Pretty neat, huh? Knock knock, bitches. Look at this. It looks so cool. And there's plenty of work to be done, but so far this is a pretty good approach to getting the work done. And I'm liking a lot the results. The map is pretty much over for now. There's not other stuff done, like this section is unfinished. But we can keep going over here, right? And you can see that you can pretty much walk all over the map. It's sort of like open world for now. You can start connecting between different areas, making use of, bridging around with coal to make the ice bridges. And look at this. I made a little bridge going on from one section to the other. And you can actually also go below the bridge, right? So this is pretty nice. So this part is unfinished. The bridge is pretty well made for now, but there's plenty of details to be added. We can, as I said, go below the bridge, and well, you can of course cross this section if you freeze the water. And there's no problem going behind here actually. You can just keep walking around and that's it. And over here, this part is unfinished, as I said. There's not I didn't get to finish the entire thing, but there's plenty of to be done. And we can go over here. The plan for the future will be filling this up with like a crops section or whatever, maybe a brewery, something interesting. And we can go up here, and this section right here is sort of like a mountain, which is pretty much empty for now. But we're climbing up right now as of now, right? And this is the top of the mountain. There's gonna be like a tower or a castle or whatever in here. And well, you can see that the drop is pretty big actually. And if we drop ourselves in here, we are actually going to die because the height is pretty insane. But yeah, you can see that, well, despite Magicka's perspective and, almost orthographic camera, the height doesn't seem that big, but it's pretty nice. And there's more stuff over here, right? Like there's unfinished sections, there's more towers going on, a few houses in here, and there's like a section with a broken bridge down here, which we'll have to cross with the classic making ice spells like in the first game, at the beginning. And this section over here is not finished yet, but well, there's nothing in this island here, but you can also walk all over it, right? And this is pretty much the end of the map. After all of this in here, there's like nothing else to be done, to be honest. You can try pushing the limits if you want, but well, let's actually demonstrate what happens right now when we push the limits. Like, you can see that this is an insanely large body of water, right? So you can try as much as you want. Right now you can reach the edge of the world and you can fall out of the map actually, but I'll be changing that by making some blocking volumes to change how the camera works. You know, like in the base game there are sections where there's open water and the camera just blocks you off so that you don't get to escape. Pretty much the same thing, right? Or maybe unfreezable water. There's in the Highlands section there's actually unfreezable water for that precise reason. But yeah, anyway, that's all there is done for now. Thanks for watching my video. I'll keep you posted about further updates regarding stuff that I'll be working on for this map. So yeah.